Incursion detected, Sector 3. It's moving at 60 hertz. Susan is attempting a manual override of my attention span. She thinks I'm a beginner.
Agent Void, do not engage. The infrared anomaly is a classic diversionary tactic. Maintain your post.
Copy that, Chairman. Analyzing the light source. Origin, handheld plastic device. Crude, predictable.
She's increasing the frequency, requesting permission to initiate the total indifference protocol.
Permission granted. Show her that the network cannot be bought with cheap photons. Dismissed.
Threat neutralized. Susan's entertainment protocol has been overwritten. Recruits, your orders are clear. Secure the network. Stay in the shadows.